using the same example where we have the employee IDs, let's say this time you want to grab a fixed number of characters that's sandwiched in between the first and the last character of each of the IDs. You can do that by using this formula called mid, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's create this column right here called mid, just for the example, and type in the formula. So the first thing you're going to do when you type in a formula, obviously, is press the equal sign. That tells Excel we're going to type in a formula right now. Mid is what we're using. Open parentheses, and then tell it where the text is. So it's right here. Here it is. And then identify where you want to grab the first character. So let's say this 1. That's position 2. Let's type in the position. So 2. P is position 1. 1 is 2. 2 is 3. That's kind of confusing, but I'll keep going. And then tell the computer, let's put a comma right here, how many characters you want to grab, including the starting position. So let's say 4. I want 1, 2, K, J. That's 4 characters. And then close the formula with close parentheses and press equals. There you go. Now you have 1, 2, K, J. 4 characters that's sandwiched in between P and 8. Let's copy this and put that everywhere else. Paste it. Is this right? 3, 7, 5, 6. 4 characters sandwiched in between the first and the last. Yes. This one, O-L-I-O. Oh, polio. O-L-I-O. Here, 8 E-R-U. 4 characters in between. 1987. Looks about right. Okay, that's how you do it. Boom.